Dear students, today we are going to read and understand letter writing. Letter writing is an important channel of communication between people who are geographically distant from one another. In earlier times, when the telephone and email were not available, the only means of communication between people was through letter. A letter is usually one in a series of exchanges between two people or parties. Letter writing is a skill that has to be developed. In general, there are two types of letters. First, formal letter, letters written to convey official business and information. Formal letters are sent out when we need to write to various people, bodies, or agencies for our requirements in civic life. For example, we might have to ask for a certificate or to inform a change in our address. Second, informal letter. Personal letters to communicate with friends and family. Now we will understand formal letters. Letter types include a business or official letter for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders, and sending replies. B. Letter to the editor, giving suggestions on an issue. C. Application for the job. A formal letter has the following parts: sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, body of the letter, content, preferably in 3 or 4 paragraphs, complimentary ending, sender's signature and name. Note, formal letter must be written in fully blocked format as per CBSE curriculum. Steps to write formal letters. Let us now examine some of the steps in writing formal letters. First, introducing oneself if it is the first time you are writing. Next, referring to an earlier letter if you are responding to it. Second, stating the purpose of the letter. Third, first, stating action information required from the addressee. Next, explaining action taken, supplying information. Fourth, urging action to be taken. Second, offering assistance in future. This is the basic structure of a letter. It will have to be modified according to the purpose for which it is written and the person to whom it is addressed. Tips to know. While writing a letter, one should keep in mind the following points. First, purpose. Second, person to whom it is addressed. Third, tone you should adopt. Fourth, completeness of the message. 5, action required. 6, conciseness of expression. We have so far considered the content of letters. A letter also has a typical format. First, name and address of sender, name and address of addressee, date, mode of address or salutation, reference to previous correspondence if any, content of letter, complimentary close and signature. Dear students, why letter writing? Letter writing has become one of the most indispensable activities of modern society. Commerce, trade, official correspondence, public representations, and complaints and other dealings and communications with people are carried out through letters. Cultivating this skill of letter writing has become more important. We will be studying formal letters in our syllabus. Dear students, understand this. Formal letter purposes. What are the purposes of formal letter? To ask for, give information. To apply for a job. To make inquiries. To register complaints about inadequate goods or services. To place orders, send appropriate replies. To apologize for behavior. To solicit new customers for your business. To seek redressal of grievances. To persuade others. To make an appeal for help. To send a recommendation. Please watch it. The purposes of formal letter. Important points. The formal letter is written in formal language. Try to avoid starting with I. Keep sentences short and to the point. Do not use contractions I have, won't, etc. End with a short sentence that anticipates the response of the addressee. The tone in a formal letter is polite and impersonal. Use passive voice where possible. Be brief and to the point. Do not beat about the bush. Be clear and specific. State the purpose clearly and concisely. Be positive and polite even if you are writing a complaint. Remember, on the receiving end of your letter is a human being. Dear students, please understand these important points. Look at it again. Business letters. These include letters of inquiry, asking for information, replying to inquiry, giving information, placing orders, and sending replies, cancelling orders. A business letter is the basic means of communication between two companies or sent internally within a company. A business letter should be written whenever you need a permanent record that you sent the information enclosed. A formal salutation and closing must be enclosed. Most business letters have a formal tone and the treatment of the subject has to be simple, systematic and formal. Students understand it? Business letters important points. Begins by identifying yourself. अपने की पहचान देते हुए शुरुआत करें. Clearly state the purpose of writing. पत्र लेखन का मुख्य उद्देश्य क्या है उसको साफ शब्दों में बताते हुए लिखें. Give relevant details. आवश्यक जानकारियां अवश्य दें. Make a request for appropriate action. और उचित एक्शन के लिए आप निवेदन करें. Be positive and polite. पॉजिटिव रहें, विनम्र रहें. Even if you are making a complaint, अगर आप कोई शिकायत भी कर रहे हैं, ये ध्यान रखें कि पत्र लेखन में आप विनम्र बने रहें. आपकी शैली विनम्र होनी चाहिए, पॉजिटिव हो. कोट रेफरेंस नंबर्स, ऑर्डर नंबर, चेक, डिमांड, ड्राफ्ट नंबर, फाइल नंबर्स एक्सेट्रा. आप कोई लेटर पहले भी लिख चुके हैं, रेफरेंस नंबर जरूर दीजिए. कोई ऑर्डर किया उसका नंबर दीजिए. कन्वे मैसेज ब्रीफली एंड इन ए स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड मैनर. जो भी आप संदेश दे रहे हैं शॉर्ट में और सीधे साफ सीधे शब्दों में उसको व्यक्त करें. Official letters. These include letters of complaint, making inquiries, making requests, appeals. Official letters are written to various public or civil servants who generally head their respective departments, branches, or zones. Dear students, understand this? Whom do we write these official letters? These official letters include letters of complaint, making inquiries, making requests, appeals. Official letters, important points. First, show due respect but do not flatter or sound too servile. आप सम्मान देते हुए पत्र लिखें, चापलूसी न करें. जो बात आपको कहनी है साफ सीधे शब्दों में उसे व्यक्त करें, लेकिन सम्मानजनक रूप से आप उसको व्यक्त करें. सेकेंड, क्लियरली स्टेट द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग. आपके पत्र लेखन का क्या उद्देश्य है उसको साफ सीधे शब्दों में जरूर लिखें. थर्ड, यूज पोलाइट लैंग्वेज एंड ए प्लेजेंट टोन. और विनम्र शब्दों का प्रयोग करें और खुशहाल आपकी टोन भी उचित होनी चाहिए. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज understand the important points while writing this letter. Letters to the editor. These letters give suggestions on a public interest issue. Give suggestions on an issue already raised in an article, write-up, published letter. Letter to the editor. A letter to the editor could be written to express an opinion, complaint against a social problem. They form the most important part of interactive journalism. The readers react to the news item or articles to express their opinion on the matter. Readers also write to the editor to draw attention of the authorities towards problems that concern many people. Value points to be kept in mind while drafting a letter. Refer to the situation, viewpoint that you wish to highlight. If it is a social problem, the three major areas to be included are causes of the problem, effects of the problem, solutions to the problem, and then conclude politely. Letters to the editor, important points. Refer to the situation, viewpoint that you wish to highlight. If it is a social problem, the three major areas to be included are causes of the problem, effects of the problem, solutions to the problem. Conclude politely. Do not ask the editor to solve the problem, as he can only voice your views and ideas. Dear students, please understand this point. Do not ask the editor to solve the problem. आप एडिटर को समस्या का समाधान करने के लिए पत्र नहीं लिखें, क्योंकि वो केवल आपकी आवाज को अपने पत्र लेखन के माध्यम से अपने पत्र में वो छपवा सकते हैं, वो वॉइस दे सकते हैं, अपनी आवाज मिला सकते हैं आपकी प्रॉब्लम के साथ, वो सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो आप ऐसा कभी न करें, सॉल्व करने के लिए एडिटर को न कहें। Please understand. Job applications. Now we will understand job applications. These letters demand a very formal and precise treatment. Their format is almost the same as that of the formal letter and is accompanied by a biodata. Dear students, you understand that a job application has two parts, the covering letter and second is the resume biodata. The biodata ought to include the name, address, date of birth, marital status, educational qualifications, experience, hobbies, present salary, expected salary, and references. Dear students, please understand. Some useful expressions. I am giving here some useful expressions. Here, type of letter and opening statement. How you begin the letter. Just letter of inquiry. You begin your opening statement. I am writing to inquire about, then you write. Shall be grateful if you could send me the following details. Now job application. I am interested in applying for the post of. With reference to your advertisement dated so and so regarding the post of. You start in this way. These are the opening statement. Letter of apology. I am writing to apologize for. I regret the inconvenience caused due to. Letter of complaint. With reference to our order number so and so dated so, I would like to complain about. This is to inform you that we are not satisfied with the consignment sent by you. I must insist. Dear students, please understand the opening statement, how you begin your letter. Letter of inquiry, job application, letter of apology, letter of complaint. Expressing opinion. Your opening statement will be, in reply to your letter dated regarding so and so, I would like to express my views on the matter. I was delighted, shocked, horrified, disgusted to learn that. Then you write further. Making a request. I would be grateful if I wonder if you could help me. I am writing to ask you for a favor. Giving information. This is just to let you know, then you provide the information. Giving advice. It would be a good idea to, then you give advice. Have you thought about, dear students, please watch this and understand this. These are some opening statement, how you start your letter of inquiry, job application, letter of apology, letter of complaint, expressing opinion, making a request, giving information, giving advice. Dear students, I hope that all of you understand about the letters, kind of letters, and the important points. Dear students, thank you for watching the video presentation on letter writing. Dear students, this is the part A. I will give the part 2 very shortly. Please wait for it. Thank you very much.